High-performance hosting tips and tricks. High-performance hosting is a crucial aspect of any online business. The speed and reliability of a website can significantly impact user experience and ultimately determine the success of a company. In this article, we will explore some tips and tricks to unlock the secrets of high-performance hosting. First and foremost, choosing the right hosting provider is essential. There are numerous hosting companies available, each offering different plans and features. It is important to carefully evaluate the options and select a provider that can meet the specific needs of your website. Look for a hosting company that offers fast servers, reliable uptime, and excellent customer support. One of the key factors in high-performance hosting is server speed. Slow loading times can lead to frustrated users and increased bounce rates. To ensure fast loading speeds, consider using a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN is a network of servers located around the world that store copies of your website's static files. When a user visits your site, the files are delivered from the server that is closest to their location, resulting in faster loading times. Another tip for high-performance hosting is to optimize your website's code and files. This can be done by minimizing the size of your images, compressing your CSS and JavaScript files, and enabling browser caching. By reducing the size of your files and enabling caching, you can significantly improve the speed at which your website loads. Regularly monitoring and optimizing your website's performance is also crucial for high-performance hosting. This can be done using various tools and techniques such as website speed tests, performance monitoring software, and server logs analysis. These tools can help you identify any bottlenecks or issues that may be affecting your website's performance and allow you to take corrective actions. In addition to optimizing your website's performance, it is important to ensure its security. A secure website not only protects your data but also improves user trust and confidence. Implementing an SSL certificate is one way to secure your website. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, encrypts the data transmitted between a user's browser and your website, making it difficult for hackers to intercept and steal sensitive information. Regular backups are also essential for high-performance hosting. Accidents happen, and it is important to have a backup of your website in case of any unforeseen events such as server crashes or data loss. Many hosting providers offer automated backup services, but it is always a good idea to have your own backup as well. Finally, consider the scalability of your hosting solution. As your website grows and attracts more traffic, it is crucial to have a hosting plan that can accommodate the increased demand. Look for a hosting provider that offers scalable solutions such as virtual private servers, VPS, or cloud hosting. These solutions allow you to easily upgrade your resources as needed without experiencing any downtime or performance issues. In conclusion, high-performance hosting is essential for the success of any online business. By choosing the right hosting provider, optimizing your website's performance, ensuring its security, and planning for scalability, you can unlock the secrets of high-performance hosting. Remember to regularly monitor and optimize your website's performance, and always have a backup of your data. By following these tips and tricks, you can provide your users with a fast, reliable, and secure online experience.